Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about Moringa powder, what is Moringa powder, some benefits of Moringa powder, and for extreme hair growth I will share Moringa hair mask recipe in this video. Moringa has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties and health benefits. It also has antifungal, antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. So friends, Moringa leaves is being dried to make the Moringa powder. Now what is in this Moringa? Moringa contains a variety of proteins, vitamins and minerals, and it has vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, folate and ascorbic acid, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. Now what are the benefits? I will share some of the benefits here. It protects your skin and hair and give the nourishment. It treats edema. It protects your liver. It prevents and treats the cancer and treating. It also treats stomach complaints like constipation, gastric, etc. It fights against bacterial diseases and it makes bones healthier. It also treats mood disorders and it helps wounds to heal. It treats diabetes, asthma and kidney disorders. It also reduces high blood pressure. It gives you better eye health. It treats anemia and sickle cell disease. So friends, there are a lot of Moringa benefits. So here I am sharing one benefit or one recipe you can say for your hair. So here in this video I will tell you how to make hair mask. I am taking this Moringa powder and some other ingredients to make a mask to have healthy hair. First of all, you need to take out 2 to 3 spoons of Moringa powder depending upon your length, and then I'm adding yogurt or curd to make it a paste, and I'm also adding honey in it, and you can add essential oil in this or 1 spoon of oil like olive oil or coconut oil, and make it a paste and apply it on your clean hair and keep it for 30 minutes, minimum 30 minutes, and you can also keep it till 1 hour, and then after that you need to rinse your hair and wash your hair with your mild shampoo. You can try this once in a week and you continuously use it and you will see the difference in your hair after first use itself. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you like the video then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such useful videos. Till then, bye.